Hello friends, welcome to the course of the compiler construction. In the previous lecture we have seen the procedure for finding the first and follow sets. We are discussing the example of finding the first and follow set information of the non-terminals in the given context pre-grammars. We have already seen the procedure for finding the first set information. So according to that procedure we have calculated the first of all the non-terminals in the given context pre-grammar. Here you can see the first set of all the non-terminals. Okay, so in each row of the given non-terminals we are having the first set and the follow set. So let us we have already seen in the previous lecture, we have already seen how to find the follow-up E, because E occur in the production body of F, and immediately after this capital E there is right parenthesis, therefore right parenthesis is added into the follow-up E. E is the start symbol of the grammar, therefore dollar is added into the follow-up E. Now the follow-up E dash is equal to the follow-up E. Why? Because E dash is the last symbol in the production body of E, that is E gives T E dash. E dash is the last symbol, therefore according to the rule number 3, everything in follow-up E is added into the follow-up E dash. Okay, therefore here follow-up E dash is equal to follow-up E. Follow-up E means the set containing right parenthesis and dollar. So this is according to the rule number 3. Now the follow-up T. To find the follow-up T, first we have to see where the T is occur, in which production body T is occur. T is occur in the production body of E and E dash, and in both production body of E and E dash, T is at the same position. Yeah, the T immediately follows E dash. Okay, and we have already found out the follow up E and E dash. Here you can consider the occurrence of T either in the production body of E dash or in the production body of E, because in both the production T follows E dash. So let us consider the occurrence of T in the production body of E, that is E gives T dash. So to find the the follow-up T, we have to first find out the first of E dash. Okay, because according to the rule number 2, everything in first of beta, here beta means E dash, after this T is nothing but the capital B, therefore everything in everything in first of E dash should be added into the follow-up T, and we know the first of E dash is plus and epsilon, but if except epsilon, everything in first of E dash should be added into the follow-up T. So plus is only added into the follow-up T, because first of E dash is plus and epsilon, except epsilon means only plus is added into the follow-up T. Okay, you understood? Why plus is added? Plus is added only because first of E dash is plus except epsilon, therefore first of E dash is added into the follow-up T. Immediately after T there is non-terminal E dash, therefore we have to find out first of E dash, that is added into the follow-up T. Now why we have added the remaining two symbols, right bracket and dollar? Only because the sub rule of the second rule says that if the first of beta, here beta means epsilon, if first of epsilon contains the first of E dash contains the epsilon, if the first of E dash contains the epsilon, obviously first of E dash contains the epsilon. Why? Because E dash derives epsilon, therefore if E dash derives epsilon, then everything in follow-up E should be added into follow-up T according to the rule number 2. Therefore in follow-up E we have dollar and right parenthesis, therefore these two symbols are added into the follow-up T. Therefore according to the rule number 2 we have added plus right bracket and dollar into the follow-up T. Now let us find out the follow-up T dash. To find the follow-up T dash, like T, here also we have to check in which production body there is occurrence of T dash. The T dash occur in the production body of the T and T dash, but we have to find the follow-up T dash. Therefore we consider the occurrence of T dash in the production body of T itself. That is, T gives Ft dash. T gives Ft dash. Okay, we have to find the follow of T dash. So here which rule we have to apply? Here we have to compare this production with our general production in the rule number 3. This rule number 3 production says that if there is production of the form, that is capital A gives alpha B, then everything in follow up A is added into follow up B. Therefore here also T dash is the large symbol in the production body of T. Therefore everything in follow up T is added into the follow up T dash. Therefore follow up T and follow up T dash are same according to the rule number 3. Understood it? Now let us find out the follow up F. To find the follow up F, here we have to see the occurrence of F in the production body of given grammar. Here F occur in the production body of T and T dash, and in both the production body, here the immediate symbol after the F is T dash. Okay, and it is non-terminal, not the terminal. Therefore we consider this first rule or second rule. So let us consider the second rule, that is T dash gives star Ft dash, in order to find the follow up F. So here we have to apply the rule number 2 of the given procedure in the follow up, in finding the follow up F. That is, we have to compare this rule, that is T dash gives star Ft dash, with the general rule, that is A gives alpha B beta. Here alpha means star, B means F, and beta means T dash. What this rule says, that everything in first of T dash except epsilon is added into F. Okay, everything in first of T dash. In first of T dash except epsilon, we are having the star itself. Therefore star is added in the follow up F. Star is added. First of T dash is star and epsilon. So except epsilon, star is added into the follow up F. If this T dash contains epsilon, obviously here T dash contains epsilon. The T dash gives epsilon is the production. Therefore if T dash contains epsilon, then everything in the follow up the production head T dash is added into the follow up F according to the rule number 2. Everything in follow up T dash is added into follow up F. Why? Because after F there is a non-terminal T dash and it derives epsilon. Therefore everything in follow up T dash should be added into the follow up F. Therefore follow up T dash contains plus, right bracket and dollar. Therefore all these three symbols are added into the follow up F. So I think you have understood the first, how to find the first and follow of the non-terminals in the given quantity grammar.